ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So we look at a 70-degree air temperature with a dew-point value coming in at 70 as well. That's 100% relative humidity, and it feels it too. Really kind of sticky outside right now. Now we do have some sunshine out there, so we have kind of a sun-cloud mix. But as we head into the afternoon, I think we'll also see a sun and cloud mix continue, but a southerly wind become more pronounced. That will tend to push the moisture our way and bring a very humid afternoon. In fact, the next several afternoons look to be pretty humid. 86 degrees we'll go with by 3 p.m. I'll keep it dry, but I wouldn't be shocked if an isolated shower developed. If it did, it would be coming from the south and lifting to the north, but they'll be few and far between. If we see many rain showers at all, that'll be well out in Gulf waters. So quiet right now on radar. Not expecting a whole lot in the way of morning rain showers today, but you can see all the moisture and showers kind of converging together to the north of us. That's the warm front, and it is stuck in place. It's not moving. It's not heading south again as a cold front. It'll eventually just kind of wash away as it tends to lift a little bit further to the north and get absorbed by an approaching low-pressure area back to the west. That area back to the west has the potential of diving south into the deep south and produce some severe weather today in the heart of the deep south. And there could be some significant severe weather outbreaks as well. Looking at tornadoes as well as large hail, gusty winds, straight line winds certainly could be a problem, downpours of rain, all of that right in the area of Kentucky and Tennessee, but particularly areas of Louisiana, Arkansas, Alabama, all under the gun. As we head into the next couple of days, I think we'll watch this stalled frontal boundary, which was the warm front, kind of basically just wash out. But until then, we get this deep southerly flow continuing, and shower and thunderstorm activity out in Gulf waters will produce a little bit of fair weather cloudiness across our region from time to time. So we'll call it a sun-cloud mix. We'll have warm, humid afternoons, and we'll be watching cooler temperatures coming our way this weekend as another front approaches, not that one, but another one, and it will bring us kind of conditions similar to this last front, except that it won't have severe weather attached to it, but it will push through, stall out, and then lift back north as a warm front once again. South wind coming in at about 10 knots this evening, lightening up a little bit at about 5 to 10, and the forecast looks pretty good, I'd say. We'd have 86 degrees for today's temperature and tomorrow on Election Day. Get out and vote. Everything looks good for the weather on Election Day. And then over the next several days, we stay warm, we stay humid, we stay pretty much rain-free, an isolated shower possible, but not much. Over the weekend, the front approaches, sags south, sticks, and keeps us in temperatures that'll run just about average, but it will feel a little bit cooler on Sunday. That's spot on average at 81 degrees, and the rain chances will hover around 20 or 30%.